Today we're doing a short video covering the replacement of the tensioner pulley on the 2012 Chevy Silverado. We're going to need room for the torque wrench when we're working down there, so we need to remove the engine cover so we can get the intake out of the way. The intake is pretty quick. We just need to loosen this clamp here, and then pull this out. Grab a big ratchet and your 15mm socket. Grab this bolt right here. You're gonna go tightening so you can loosen this belt. It'll release pressure on the belt. Make sure you get a pretty good bite down low so when you come up, you're not against the radiator hose when you're trying to get the ratchet off. I was gonna demonstrate the difference in the good pulley, where you can spin it and you can barely hear it, and then the bad pulley, but I can't even get this one. The bearing is so bad, it won't even spin. Back to our large ratchet with a 15mm. This time we're gonna go left. Right was to loosen the belt, and the left is to loosen this bolt. Hang on to your bolt, take the pulley off. The hardware came off this way. This is the bolt, this is that washer, it's kind of concaved. That's the orientation. These pulleys are the same on both sides. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, that bearing is toast. I have the new part here. Here's the part number. You're going to pull this out. It's from AC Delco. Get your old pulley, make sure the diameter is the same. Make sure your rib count and the width is the same. These are supposed to go on either way. This one has a thinner lip on the one side. I'm probably gonna put that against the engine. Give it more clearance in the back, but the width is correct. Everything looks good. And the new pulley is much smoother. To install the pulley, center that bearing on that little hub right there, and then put the washer and the bolt the same way, and thread the bolt into that hub. All right, I'm gonna grab the torque wrench. Now we just need to torque it down to 37 foot-pounds. Now to put the belt back on, we're gonna go around. Well, let's get above the smooth pulley here. Let's go around the alternator. Oh, I did hook it on the tensioner. You wanna make sure you're around the crank pulley, the very bottom, and around the power steering pulley as well. Then grab your ratchet. We need to go right to take the tension off the belt. And we're going to push this under the smooth pulley. Now let's take a look at the routing. You go around the alternator on the outside, power steering pump, around the crank at the bottom, around the tensioner pulley, and then under the smooth pulley. Just make sure it's all centered in the pulleys and in the grooves, and you are good to go. All right, let's get this intake back on. We got a couple points of contact. There's a piece that snaps in here and here. And of course, we have the intake piping here. Push it on the throttle body. All right, let's Tighten up the clamps. They're good and snug. Same thing here. Make sure it's on there good. Yeah. Lining that up right there in that grommet. Get that snapped in there. There's a little rubber seal. Let's get the engine cover back on. Gonna just slide it under here. Kind of aim for that rubber. You've now installed the tensioner pulley on the 2012 Silverado.